Hello guys, Shiba token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. Guys, this video is very important for all of you, especially for those people who want to buy Shiba inu, and also for those people who's holding Shiba inu. And you know what guys, personally I'm also holding 2.5 billion Shiba inu token, but this video is very important for new holders if you want to buy. So guys, never miss any second of this video. And guys, please, that's my request from all of you guys to subscribe. Click the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon to you will get all notification about Shiba inu update. So guys, first of all, now you can see here from yesterday the Shiba inu price very highly pumped. What's the reason behind that? Because Rob and collaborate with the Shiba inu, Elon Musk promote Shiba inu, and a lot of furthermore projects continue like Shiba inu. You know what? What's the reason behind that? Why the change is right now positive? That is due to event. Now you can see here if we talk about the right now price of Shiba inu, so 0.00009933 USD dollar. That is right now price of Shiba inu. Furthermore, you can see 22.96 percent the changes is positive in the market about Shiba inu guys. So these type of more coin also going positive in the market, and a lot of people are investing highly in the Shiba guys, highly investing. Now people from India, from China, a lot of countries also want to invest because Shiba inu is again trend in the on social medias, also in the market guys. But remember guys, I'm not sure about it, but it's my just opinion for all of you. And I also told you that please, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, so please do your own research. I know, guys, that at right now situation Shiba inu price is in the pumping mood, but possibilities, guys, that is a temporary pump. Because you know what, from previous 3 months, I found Shiba inu negative. So now that's just for whacking people to invest in the Shiba inu guys. Maybe after 1 week, maybe after 2 days, the price again becomes negative. So alert guys, alert in the market. If you're a long-term investor, so no issue. But if you're a short-term investor, so you have to alert in the market guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more update videos about Shiba inu.